won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. This is the Focus that I cleaned last week. Even though it looks quite shiny on there, there's a few bits of mud on there. But what I'm going to do is go over with a cloth now and just rub it down and see if it keeps its shine, or would I need to rub on some more cleaner, because I believe you should just be able to spray it with water. I may even do that, spray some water on there and just see if it comes off easily, and then hopefully it'll just dry. But I'll give that a go first. Okay, so I've just given it a spray just with water and it has come out really nice. Looking good. So yeah, it didn't need any washing at all, just all sprays off, which is good. So it's definitely a product I'll be buying again. Probably gonna be buying quite a few bottles of this. Obviously the more you buy, the cheaper it is. But yeah, it's looking good. So maybe I'll do a review in a week's time once I've used it more. But obviously, as you can see up here, it gets really muddy anyway, so it picks mud up quite quickly. Thanks for watching, and come back for more reviews soon.